Priya. Hope you're doing well. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is absolutely free, and also hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out any of my updates. Thank you. I kept the camera vertically because to show you the length of my hair actually. Today I'm going to talk about my hair rebonding or hair straightening story. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. This is not the actual texture of my hair. My hair used to be like wavy kind of frizzy kind of hair. I had long hair from a long time. So when I used to open my hair, it looks like a mess. So I didn't like it at all. So I straightened my hair 1 year back. So at that time I didn't have any camera or I didn't have any YouTube channel. Yeah, I was planning at the time that I'm going to open a YouTube channel, but at that time I didn't have any equipments like camera or lighting or whatever. So I shot the video of my hair straightening in my phone. Before starting the video of hair rebonding, I want to say you something about the salon. So let me make it very clear to you guys that this is not any sponsored video, because I'm not that much a huge YouTuber or any renowned YouTuber. I'm just a growing YouTuber, so who would sponsor me, right? So this is not any sponsored video, but yeah, I want to say something about the salon because these words comes from my heart, not from any sponsorship. This is seriously the truth about the salon. I really love the salon. I really appreciate their work. I straightened my hair in a nearby salon in Durgapur, and it is Kreations Wellness Salon. And I'm telling you guys, it is the most beautiful and also affordable salon out here, because they give seriously the best quality of service. There are a lot of services on your hair, on your skin, and many more things, but I did my hair straightening there, and seriously I'm telling you, they did a wonderful job. They were super careful about my hair because I had a long hair, but still they worked for a long time. And as you guys all know, that hair straightening is not like it don't ends up in just 2 hours or 3 hours. It takes a pretty much huge time. So for that long time they really worked hard. So I saw everything, and I'm going to show it to you guys. So after that all that much process, all that much hard working, also the price is seriously very affordable, and also that is also a very time consuming process. So I was feeling bored at that moment, that what I am doing for this much long time. But the employees or the people who were working on my hair, they were not at all bored, or they were not at all irritated. They really literally did the wonderful job, and seriously for such a affordable price, I didn't expected it from them, but still seriously they are the best. I am telling you, they are the best. They seriously did wonders to my hair, and the people working there, they are also literally well trained. They are efficient in their work, and also the people are so humble, so caring, and you're going to get a very beautiful, comfortable area. You're going to feel comfortable in that place, and also the atmosphere is seriously very luxurious. In that affordable pricing, you're going to get such beautiful treatment. I loved my new hair, seriously. And yeah, right now at this time also, after 1 year also, my hair is not at all damaged. After one year, the new hairs are coming, and they are like the actual texture of my hair. So I can't do anything about that. Yeah, I'm planning to go again in the salon. I don't know in this time which treatment I'm going to do. If I do anything, I'll surely make a video on that also. And yeah, that's all about the salon. And now let's jump into the video where my hair straightening has been done.